Sci, fun, sci, fun,
Sci, Sci,
fun. Go, long, short, in,
Fair,
up, down, fast, trade,
Fair,
psycho, operating, logic, psycho, calculating,
Sci, Fun,
the flow, moves, we execute, the flow, moves, we execute, short, long, up, down, side, fun. Psycho, precision, trade, win, psycho, fast, now, psycho. Psycho, sci, fun, sci, fun,
Sci, Sci,
fun. Go, long, short, in,
Fair,
up, down, fast, trade,
Fair,
psycho, operating, logic, psycho, calculating,
Sci, Fun,
the flow, moves, we execute, the flow, moves, we execute, short, long, up, down, side, fun. action, trade, win, cycle, fast, now, cycle.
Hola, hola, que dice la cola, as they say in California. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Trader Fade. It's another beautiful day of craziness. The markets have been nuts lately, so let's go ahead and talk about that soon. But first, Ajmal, stop loss. Good morning, good evening.
Hey,
Hello,
how are you
hello.
guys?
Good, yourself?
I'm good. Yeah, this is earnings week. There is a lot of things going on. Oil is above 90 again. And yeah, market is like, it's always moving, but yeah, you have more opportunities right now, I think.
Oh yeah, it's one of those things you never know what's going to happen. This earnings week, like you said, but on top of that, we got the Iran war going on, even worse than ever. And then FIFA, we got some fun FIFA stuff. If you really want to see, we got good old our president of the United States, Trump, just passing on that little beautiful FIFA trophy.
And then later being cut out from the posters, right?
Completely removed from the poster. You know, he just tried to like stay in there. I think they totally used AI just to like scrub him out there. Like, remove this. I can go ahead and show that if possible. Let's see. Let's go ahead and take this moment in. Beautiful day. Here we go.
Let's say the winner of 2026 Spain.
One really they too excited to see the meeting.
In 2026, the champions of the world are Spain.
Is now, so they can.
Let's say
You see him just standing there like a little baby in front of like, I don't know, it's kind of funny. I just saw him just standing there just staring at the camera, pretending he's part of the team, even though he talks crap about Spain all the time. It's like we don't need to trade with them, but then I'll want to take their moment.
Didn't he just impose tariffs on them like a couple days ago?
Yeah,
That's hilarious.
just because they're
And I
not
think
pro.
there was something I was like reading a few minutes ago. He wanted to like impose something on their prize money for FIFA. Not sure
Oh, really? He wants to pocket the money?
if that's.
I
What?
thought it was the government taxing
Yeah.
FIFA. It's the IRS. Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta find some way to make money for the government because we keep losing money in the government. Our debt just goes out of control. So
Yeah. I think it closed 39.5, right?
29.5 or 39.5.
39.
Yeah, 39.5 trillion.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
This is one of those things that it just gets worse and worse every day, just faster and faster.
Anyways,
Right.
but by the way, I didn't like the final, to be honest. Like I even shared in Inside, like It was boring. It was really boring.
Oh yeah, exactly. It's
The semi-final, the losers final was like much better. It had like 10 goals, and the next day is like final. It's like just one goal after 120 minutes, which is like I don't know what they were doing, even with 10 people in Argentina side. Anyways,
well, I know that Messi
Let's
had like
start some trade.
red card fouls going on. He didn't get a red card. He tried to impose a red card to somebody.
Yeah, after the
Yeah, I guess it didn't turn out well for him. I guess on that sense, everybody's talking about it. I'm like, holy crap! The referee was like, he didn't do anything wrong.
That was like very bad.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's go ahead and look at these charts right now. Let's see how everything's going, and let's get some more traders ready. Let's see, is anybody trading today that we have in our Discord? If all your listeners out there,
Yeah, we have two.
We have 2 traders.
All right, let's put those trades in.
Yeah,
Ooh,
I think we
Ashmore,
have the two.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, we're losing Asmo to a storm.
It is monsoon season over in India.
No.
We need to get Ashmore.
I think Bilal.
Oh, we can hear you now.
What? I didn't understand.
Asmo, can you hear me? Well, can you see?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. I wanted to keep singing, but it's okay. Let's go. I heard Bilal was like the first to go on, but let's go and get Bilal straight in.
Okay. Bilal, I think, is from Pakistan. Right.
Oh, is he?
So wherever you are, you can open trades inside. You can also open trades in Trader Feed.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to short BTC, and let me see. 15x leverage BTC short, market order, and take profit is 63,500.
Did he explain why he wanted to do it?
No explanation so far. I think
Oh, man.
it's, right, like initially there were like a lot of people explaining.
If that's the case, we'll keep the profits. We'll play the trade. We'll keep the profits though.
Thank you, Bilal,
Bye,
for
Bilal.
today. We bless you for
Yeah.
all your food of crackers and Ritz crackers and cheese. Unless we get like megas, then we're going to In-N-Out Burger. I wish there was an In-N-Out Burger in Australia. Good grief. I'm missing it. I'm missing it so much. Burgers. All right. We got, and what says his size so far?
Okay, positions opened.
Perfect. All right. So who's next on the list? Let's see.
So next is Musty. Strangely, he has posted two trades. One is Sui. He want to short Sui, and he also want to short BNB. I think it's like up to us to choose which one you want.
Oh yeah, there's 2, huh? So I guess you only get one. You only get one.
Yeah.
He's trying to make a double.
So I think maybe we can do Sui.
Sui sounds like a way to go. I think did he do Sui last time?
No, it was unique.
It was unique, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So he want to short Sui. It is not a market order. Entry zone is like 0.7749.
0.7749. Okay, I like the precision.
Yeah, and take profit is 0.7684.
0.7684.
Yes, 25%.
And he's shorting. All right. I want to place it over at the stop loss.
Let's go.
We got a bunch of people today. Let's see. Who should we do next? Is the twofold? Mention anything? Bilal. We got Musty Cyber.
We have two trades already open. One is from Bilal and other is from Musty.
All right, perfect.
And yeah, let's talk about market then. Or you want to open a trade?
Oh yeah, trade. I'm gonna short. It's the QQQ's the Nasdaq, right? Or is it the?
Yes, it is.
It is.
Short QQQs.
All right, let me submit this. All right, perfect.
Hurry!
Now, get over there, stocks. QQQ. Market short.
Yeah, let's
All
go.
right.
Let's go.
Short. Ah, shoot, I forgot to put the take profit. And
That's okay.
Stop loss.
Yeah, you can.
You can always change it.
Oh, wait, I need this. This wasn't an accidental trade I was doing in demo. I might just close it right now.
$2. Nice.
Yeah. It's not worth babysitting. All right. Okay, cool.
Okay. What
Ashwell,
happened?
do you want to place in a trade? Oh, what do you mean?
Yeah, something happened. We
Oh,
have
I closed my trade.
No, we also have QQQ, BTC, and we had SUI.
But that one was a limit order. The
Oh, okay,
City
okay,
one
yeah.
didn't fill yet. It's a
Yeah,
limit
it was not
order.
filled yet. Okay. Yeah, I was confused.
No
Okay.
worries.
So, let me see.
Uh-oh. That BTC one just got stopped out.
Hmm.
Oh wow, yeah, that BTC is going up.
I want to short silver.
Oh,
I
that's
do
a good
have-
one to short. It like had a really nice pop up today.
Yeah.
Commodity, silver. All right, it started moving. We gotta get these trades in fast.
I know, right?
Do you know what your take profit is?
Let's keep at 56.
56.
Oh.
All right, you're in.
Okay, let's go. Yeah,
Amazing.
silver is moving nicely.
What asset do you guys want to
Anyways.
look at? What's going on in the markets? We got earnings. So many companies reporting. We got Google tomorrow. Intel the day after. Meta as well on Thursday. All of these are it's gonna be volatile to trade, but those days are always fun.
I think we had General Motors had a nice little beat today, right?
Oh, GM? I'm not tracking GM on here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, when it comes to earnings, it looks like General Motors just destroyed it when it comes to their earnings. So they made 48 billion versus 46.99 billion, which was expected that they'll go ahead and beat it, and they went over the expectation. So right now, we'll see how General Motors plays out, but it looks like a good start for just General Motors, non-tech wise. Same thing with Charles Schwab's. Charles Schwab's actually went from reached over 7.1 billion versus 6.85 billion. So we got winners. Like, this is like a good earnings week so far. So far, so good.
Yeah.
and it's like also 3M. They're doing pretty well as well. It's like 6.5 billion, barely beating 6.4 expectations.
Tesla is also supposed to report tomorrow, right?
Who is?
Tesla.
Oh yeah, you're right. Ooh, I wonder how much they.
And I think they had like a good sales this quarter. So expectations are high, but I'm not sure if the sales is going to beat the expectations.
Yeah, they've already met sales numbers, but I think at the end of the day, it comes down to updates on optimism, right? They're robo-taxis. Like people are trading off of those news. So that's what they're looking forward to, and whatever future guidance he provides for the rest of the year. So Tesla's going to be like a really, really fun one to trade. Oh my God, my chart looks crazy, guys. Gotta delete the trend lines once it's broken. So Tesla on the daily, it's still, trending down here, but you can see there's a lot of support at this level, right around here. The 368's been bouncing well, so it might actually rally for the rest of the trading day, just upwards, maybe reclaim the 400 zone if it's really strong. I know yesterday it dropped about $12, which is quite a bit within a trading day. So, it could rally up into the earnings and sell off, or it could, continue flying depending on what news he provides.
It has been going up and down for some time, right?
Yeah.
I think
Tesla's like, it's always in the 400 zones, right? Like right now it's at 475.
Technically, there is a long option right now.
Yeah, this is support, a good area to long for sure. We could take the long and then decide. Let's do it.
Ooh, that's a brave move.
Okay, we'll do like $100. 10x.
Yeah. So they had like good sales, and also they are supposed to like there is news on expansion on robotaxis to Tampa and Orlando. So that's also there. I think that triggered a little bit of up in last hour or so.
Oh no, it's going down.
Oh, really?
No.
Yeah, I was about to say that. The NAS is slowly going downside.
Let's see. Let's see who's dragging down the markets right now. Okay, is it Apple? Apple's down $4. That's quite a bit. 1%. That's probably dragging it down.
Microsoft?
Let's see. Microsoft, Google here,
Google,
Amazon,
Amazon,
1%. Yeah.
All the silicons are going down.
And plus, if you know who tweets something, it all goes down. It happened yesterday. I was like, oh God, here it goes again. Trump's just out there on True Social making money. Did you see that thing where he has his API to get his True Socials earlier? Like it's $100K a month.
Yeah.
I was like,
oh,
no,
man, that was... I think people will pay, but also like I foresee someone hacking that, not hacking, like finding a route to get that without paying.
I think so, yeah. It should be like someone's like gonna be out there like, let me go ahead and just like vibe code something real quick to get those tweets faster. Because no one wants to pay $100K just for those tweets. I'm like, yeah, they're movers, but I don't know. Unless they're making real money off of it.
Yeah, but then there will be something like, okay, he makes an announcement, but usually what happens is like only when the announcement goes public to everyone, then only there is an impact, right? So yeah, you can get to know much before, but even then I don't think like people will still make money with other stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Nvidia.
Oh yeah, don't mind me. I was like, while you guys talk, I could just start drawing lines on the charts.
Oh, okay.
To see, like, it really respects the trend lines really, really well. So if you're looking for like a short, wait for the bounce up to this level 210. Short goes down to the 50%. Point of the channel around like 196 you can exit because it could go back up. So typically I would like take some profits here and let the rest ride, or exit here, wait for it to retrace, enter a short here, or if it just continues down you enter a long here. But it trades really nicely. Currently sitting above the I think this is the 20 EMA, 200 EMA. Okay. And it respects the 200 EMA pretty well.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it crossed over here. Yeah, stays above it, dips down. So if it dips down, I'm guessing it will bounce up just because Beauty is such a profitable and successful company.
Yeah, there is a lot of things going on around NVIDIA always. And the price of RAM and everything is going up. And with the AI changing every day. And NVIDIA is also like making AIs, right? Like they are not just sitting on one thing.
No.
And recently they want to expand to CPUs also and like standalone computers and a lot of things. They are trying to do a lot of things together. And because they have done and like made things perfect for GPUs, they don't have much to concern because there is a strong foundation. And they do have a good R&D team. So for them, the fundamentals are very good, and right now they are like trying to expand and find new ways to earn more. So yeah, it's always good to see NVIDIA grow. But yeah,
You know what else is growing? Oil. That's now the officially new VIX index, because man, if oil goes up, the markets shoot down. We got those the war. Everybody has that fear because we just started the war, or the war's back on call again. And nobody knows what's going to happen here on out, because Trump's trying to manipulate it like he does always by saying, "Oh, we're going to have conversations," and Iran's like, "We're not having conversations. We are not talking to you anymore." You know what I mean? It's just kind of like a waste of time. And I think this is going to happen for the rest of his term, because there's not going to be a conclusion, because he's a pig-headed guy who's like, no, I gotta win this no matter what. And then Iran's like, no, we're not going to lose. So it's kind of
you always want to have like the last say, right?
Oh yeah, exactly. He can't say he fails ever. So that's the one thing, is like we're doomed on this one for the next 2 years. But I think also, whoever's next president can hopefully smooth things out. But I think we got this thing going on for a few years, because the same thing was like with any other war that just started within the last 5-6 years. Everyone thought it's going to be, it's going to finish probably within a year or two. Nope, still going. So this one's going to be one of those fresh ones that just keeps going. Who knows?
And there is like, it's been on and off for so much time. People understood like this is going to happen for some more time, and that's one. Another thing is also like, okay, we do have energy needs. It's not just US also produce a lot of oil, and there is only very small percentage it relies directly on the oil from Hormuz. So closing Hormuz, I think US imports like 4 or 5 million, like I think 8 million barrels per day, but mostly from Canada. Yeah. So only like 7 to 8%, like around 10% is relied on Hormuz. But that is like very small percentage, right? Like it's producing more, it imports more. So yeah. But the problem is that when Hormuz is closed, there are other countries that relies on Hormuz. They buy the Canadian and other oil places where US buys oil from, which increases the price. So there is more competition on this side. So that's what makes things harder for everyone. It's not like direct one. Yeah, it's really indirect, because like all the countries which are importing, like exporting, they will say, don't export because oil demand is going huge. So yeah, that's usually the stuff, and that's happened once, and it is happening again. So I'm very curious on like how much longer US strategic reserve can hold, because it is draining every
Exactly.
month.
They're
And it's
trying to
like-
say like Venezuela's the way to go. Like, oh, we got our oil from Venezuela still. I'm like, I don't know if
Yeah.
it's enough oil, and Venezuela needs oil as well. So it's kind of like it's not like we could just
But
take all their oil and use it for the U.S.
Yeah, it's also like when you start a new route or when you start something new, it requires a lot of effort, and it requires sometimes a lot of investment to build new things, to handle new stuff, and it's like there is a lot of things have to be done to make things better. And by the time you do that, for oil it is like very, very difficult. For example, you know why US produces a lot of oil, but most of it exports, and then it imports a different kind of oil, because the chemistry of oil is like different. US export like heavy crude oil, but US makes light oil, but it imports crude oil, like the heavy oil. So because the refineries is not handled to optimize the oil it produced locally, so it's kind of like a lot of chemistry involved there. You have session disconnected from TradingView.
Uh-oh. We can't see the price of oil.
Anyway, can we take the
Ooh, it's skyrocketing.
trades? What happened to the trades? Okay, something
I'm
happened.
still in. I'm still in, guys. I'm still in.
Yeah, I think I got
$6 makes $1. Oh man, my 45 cents.
yeah.
I can
The
go.
Tesla one is fine.
Tesla's doing great. Yeah, exactly. Is that the long? You're right about the long.
Yeah.
Let's see. Should we take our profits? I'm kidding. It's very small right now. But hey, we got to grow our account. So
Okay.
let's close this trade.
Okay, it's going up.
Yeah, normally, what I would put on is, slightly more leverage, like 20%, and I would put $1,000. So with that amount, you can actually make quite a bit of money. But since this is our community test account, we're quite conservative with our trades here.
Let's go.
All right.
Take it. Nice. Did Bilal's and everybody else's trades get whacked out?
One of the BTC ones did.
Jeez.
Where is it? This one? It's BTC short.
Yeah. Yeah, stop loss. And
We're gonna make sure to thank the person who created this track. Crunchy beat. Really crunchy beat.
yeah, it's a nice one.
Thank you.
I know. You're waiting for that one, right?
I know, right? I was like, come on, somebody. You got a banger over there.
Okay. So, what do you guys think about BTC right now? Like, it's like no one is talking about BTC for some reason.
No one's talking about it, but it's actually doing all right. It was hurtling down 58,000, right? And now it's like it torpedoed its way up back to 66K, which it always does. I think Michael, the sailor is on there, just probably buying as much as he can. Like, oh man, good buy, Michael. Yeah, he's like selling his stocks and he goes straight into buying more.
Yeah.
It's like, oh boy, he's pumping the market again. I can literally go on there. I can probably pick the news out and see like Michael Saylor just under. I just bought more Bitcoin. I'm like, oh boy. Oh
Yeah.
boy.
And there was, I think, he wrote something about like there is some for BTC network. There were some suggestions, and he was against the suggestions and everything. There was something going on in Twitter. I was like reading something and everything. Yeah.
Oh really?
Did you notice? Yeah. No.
Oh no, I did not notice that.
Okay.
I know they're trying
Yeah,
to
it
update
was.
some BTC. I forgot what it was when it comes to BTC. Oh, it's actually rapid. So like when it comes to transferring or just like sending to wallet or just any kind of transaction that when it comes to just anything with BTC, it takes forever. Especially like if you're sending to another wallet. So I guess you figured out ways to speed up this the speed of sending and receiving. But that's pretty much all the news I know about just recently.
Okay.
That's all I know, and that's all I'm going to tell you because everything else is a secret. I know everything, but I'm not going to tell you guys.
Yeah. Okay. This.
All right, so let's see. I got some levels drawn on BTC here. I was actually really surprised it didn't continue lower. I was hoping it would, go towards 59,000 because I had shorted near at like 65K. But I'm surprised it bounced back as quick as it did.
Oh yeah, it just destroyed it. But everybody else knows like it's just a thing. It's going to be like it's highly leveraged. So
Yeah.
people that's down there expecting it to go back to 100K are going to probably get met with some margin calls, just like the people in Korea. Unfortunately, RIP.
Damn. Yeah, leverage trading is no joke. Got to be careful.
You said about the
Yeah.
person who to bake to make more money after you got margin call.
Yeah, there's this guy. Did you hear about that, Ajmal?
No. What was that?
Let's see. Korean leverage trade. Oh yeah, so this guy here.
Oh.
It just came out yesterday. So he's 24 years old. He made 300 million won. I want to say that's equivalent to like $500,000. Well, actually, no. I think it's like 200 to 300K in US dollars. And then he lost it all, and now he's looking to go borrow some more money to remake the money.
Oh. Yeah. That's a classic gambling move, right?
Oh, for sure.
I'm
Okay, so
surprised that they proved it.
Guys,
But, hey,
if
you
anyone is
probably hit out
listening,
some bets. Huh?
yeah, don't borrow money for trades. Like, it's the cardinal rule for crypto trade.
especially for crypto.
Yeah, for any investment, but for crypto especially, like, it's the first thing you learn. Like, don't put something that you cannot afford to lose. So,
Oh yeah. Well, there's always that. What's it called? That SpaceX meme that's out there. I showed stop loss earlier.
okay.
Maybe I can show it right now. Let's see. Actually, pull it up one more time. One more little YouTube video. I do like the CEX-speed though. Let me see. Oh, I have my what's it called? Show my dashboard. Let's get up here. We'll put it next to my dashboard.
Yep. So meanwhile, for BTC, I think for liquidation, if you see the liquidation levels, there is a nice little 2.6 million liquidations at 66.8K. So I think BTC can go a little bit up and liquidate that levels and come back down.
So are you saying we should set an order? Let's do
I'm just
it.
saying for everyone out there who is listening.
It's fun to experiment, test out your theories, see if it
Yeah,
works out.
it is.
Because a few times I set levels for NVIDIA and it'll come onto the platform like, oh shit, these orders actually hit.
Yeah.
What was it, 66,800?
Yeah. So no. So
No,
I
it
think
has to be
if you're
higher than
going.
that, 68.
So yes. So right now I think levels are like. What is the current price?
Current
should-
price is $66,929.
Ah, okay. So it just hit the price. It hit the liquidity. Yeah, liquidation.
Yeah, dude. I should have been hit liquidations. I think look at my thing. I'm not sure what the. We scroll to the right. Never mind,
Okay.
it's
The
gone.
next levels are like too high.
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant to show your screen.
Well, yeah, that too. If you want to do it later. Hey, I'm $1 in. Yeah.
The NAS is going back up a little bit though. It's catching a bounce.
Oh no, it's not. It's going to tank so hard, like it did yesterday. Watch. If you see it, let's keep your financial juices up because Trump's going to be up there. Like, guess what? I'm going to ruin your day.
Yeah, sometimes he ruins my trade. I'm like, it was going so well. And sometimes it works in my favor where I'll catch those like crazy, insane wicks. Oh wow, Intel plans on laying off within its data center group.
Oh, what, really?
Okay, so that means its stock is going to rally because I've noticed a correlation between layoffs and rally. Yep, it has gone up $4.
It goes up.
Okay, so it's broken its downward trend and now it's trending up. Interesting. Okay, it sold off like so much. Maybe it'll get a little relief.
Well, Trump was was calling that one for like a bit to get that price up there. It looks like he unloaded a bunch of him and his friends probably unloaded a bunch of that.
Oh yeah. That's why you never take financial advice from people.
Yeah, exactly. Buy Intel. Let's see. I want people to buy SpaceX, please.
What about SpaceX?
I said I want people to buy SpaceX.
Oh
People
yeah.
buy SpaceX. Great investment. It's good for your portfolio. Trust me, you won't cry. You won't cry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can buy SpaceX and then turn your screen upside down. Right.
Wait, I don't get it.
That's nice.
I missed the joke.
Because it is going down.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
In
funny.
order to see it is going up, you have to turn the screen upside down.
Let's see. Let's see if my audio is working. Can you guys see my screen? Or let's see if I. Let's see.
Yay.
Oh yes. Let me pause the music. Pause the vibes.
All right, here it goes. Can you hear the audio? Here you go.
Did you see SpaceX's IPO?
No. SpaceX? No.
Yeah, it's at $200. I think it's the next big thing.
No, don't let him buy, Kurt.
But isn't that super overvalued?
Yeah, it's overvalued, Kurt.
No, I think it's gonna go to $1,000. I'm gonna buy some.
No, don't buy a lot. Don't buy a lot,
I can get a
please.
0% interest credit card loan for $100 grand. I can pay this back in a year when I'm rich.
Is that a good idea, man?
No, it's not, Kurt. It's not a good idea, Kurt.
Is that The Intelligent Investor?
No, it's a great book. It's a great book about the value of
Throw
investing.
that book in the trash where it belongs. I can't believe you have that
Don't
stuff.
throw it away. No.
Boom. Just bought $100,000 in SpaceX on liquid. I'm gonna be rich.
No.
But what happens if it goes below $130?
Then I get margin called. But don't worry.
No.
There's no way that happens.
I get margin called. There's no way it's gonna happen. And guess what the
Yeah.
price is today? 125. You got margin called. Just saying. Buy SpaceX. It's a great investment.
Yeah, I told my parents not to buy a lot. I'm like, it's gonna go down. I know you guys are eager to get some, but just start with a small bag. Surprisingly, she hasn't called or texted me yet about it. Normally she'll be like, oh my god, it's tanking.
She's crying, looking at that portfolio. She's like, "What the heck?" She decided to put it up for adoption.
Yeah, right now there is like the amount of stock circulation is like very low, right?
What's that again?
I mean, what is the percentage of stocks that is actually circulating for SpaceX?
Good question. I do not know that actually.
I think
Huh.
it was very low when it started, and then they
Right.
released, and then it tanked because
Yeah.
that's how it works. And
I
even
think it was
now, it is like
15%.
yeah, it is like very very low marks.
This is about 4 to 5%.
Oh wow.
Yeah, until it stabilizes, I don't think I'm going to like even look at SpaceX.
Yeah. I mean, definitely buy under $100. You know, maybe start at, I'm looking at $80 range.
Yeah, same. 80-60.
Yeah, but
Not
like
not in the
looking at
100.
Musk, whatever he has started, he has like he might have a plan. So usually it turns out well for him. So that's why people are like very eager, and like even though they don't understand what they are actually buying, it's like, yeah, what is SpaceX does? And it's like a lot of space things. Other than that, it's like very vague. Right. Yeah, you're
You're
sending
investing-
rockets, and why? It's the question.
It's not about the why, it's about your investing. That's all you're doing.
Yeah. So
Then whatever it is, who cares? Invest in it. It's all it matters.
so yeah, I think I'll just wait for the amount of stocks to be stabilized, and then see how it goes with the data centers in space, because yeah, there will be demand and there will be like energy consumption, but the thing is that data centers need a lot of cooling down. There is like a lot of hurdles before they launch the first data center. So when that happens, I think then there'll be like, if the stocks are normalized and everything, that will be the good position to buy, because then there'll be like earnings and everything. Then they can expand. They have proved themselves to expand and everything. So until that time, I don't think, for me personally, it is a good place to buy.
Yeah, exactly. Oh shoot.
Okay.
Thoughts?
I want to ask Sir Poopslot that do you think oil will hit 100 next time we meet?
Oh, easy. Easy. Again, it's the VIX now. That's now the VIX. Don't call it oil. Call it the VIX. When it's gotta go, you gotta go. It's time. When it's high, that gotta go. When oil is high, you can't buy.
Yeah, you can get high on oil.
Yeah, exactly. You can get high on oil from your ancestors, from ancient or that was a dinosaur, other dead animals.
Yeah.
Oh man. So yeah, I think oil's easy when they go up there. I think things are gonna escalate when it comes to this war. So it's gonna suck because like one, the holidays are coming around the corner, and there's people just traveling as well. It's worldwide. It's gonna cause some kind of a big, massive like halt on traveling because it's gonna be too expensive. And other things besides traveling, the things besides just the machinery as well. It's just like it's gonna get to a point where we're in stagflation already. Things are staying higher for longer, and it's not going to be easy a ride for Fed Walsh to try to navigate this. He's keeping his lips shut. He's not going to really tell people that inflation's transitory at all. He's going to be like, just say things to make it seem like I'm hawkish, and that's it.
Things are going to be like with this new Fed chair. I think it will be very difficult to decode in terms of everything, like in terms of data, in terms of what comes from him. So you have to look at like secondary indicators, or like you have to do your own stuff and dig deeper to understand what's actually happening. But then the question being like, if anyone else doesn't know what you know, how it is going to reflect the market,
Yeah, Fed Welsh is like I was telling him stop loss. Like he was part of back in 2008. He was in the Fed then, and what his mistake was is looking at the data and not looking at the economic pains that were going through, the country, and that was like the major thing that was the whole thing back then was like the biggest crisis ever. But hopefully he learned from that lesson and he's not gonna repeat what happened back then. Like him and the other Fed chairs are pretty smart, and plus Powell's in there still, so Powell's trying to make sure that doesn't happen.
And he's also a crypto guy, right? Like I think he wrote something on crypto adoption or something.
Oh, I'm not sure about that. If he is, I guess.
I read somewhere like he had something to do with adoption on like crypto and stuff. Yeah, as a paper or something.
I guess that's what. Because they asked him during his testimony if if crypto was to tank to a point where it's just unbearable, would he allow the Fed to go ahead and do a bail them out? And he couldn't answer yes or no, really. Because he's like the hypothesis, he didn't think it's gonna happen, but still, like, I'm like, oh crap, he's not gonna even answer that. He's like, I think he said he wouldn't, to be honest, but that was a tough question to bring up, because like, oh, if Bitcoin goes down again like it did back in 2020, what was it, 2 or 21? Which one of those two?
Yeah, 21.
Yeah, if it was to go down that bad again, would they bail people out, the banks and everybody else? Because I know a lot of banks went insolvent during that time. But yeah, that's going to be a crazy time. But we'll see what it does. We get more Fed chair meetings here and out from this next month in September. Do we have a rate? Do we think we're going to have a rate? Not rate cuts. No rate cuts this year. I think it's just only a rate hike. One rate hike. It went from 2 to 1 rate hike, I think.
Okay, 8 days for a FOMC meeting.
Yep.
And
yeah.
What is the percentage? Okay, 17.
82%.
Oh,
No
it
change.
was.
Keep the current rate.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So-
most likely there won't be a rate hike. I mean,
Yeah.
especially with oil going up. I don't think
Well-
they can increase rates.
They're gonna have to, because if oil goes up, inflation is gonna go higher. It's gonna stay this way. That means the price of gas and everything. So inflation is gonna go up and speed up. And they want to have less demand. So they're gonna they need to go ahead and raise the rates to have people buy less and not afford a lot of things. So there's more, supply than demand. That's gonna be interesting, because if oil goes up, they need to cut rates. I mean, not cut rates. They need to raise rates eventually.
Increase.
Inflation goes up, because it went up to 4.2, which is crazy. I think it's just like 3.8, so it could bounce back up again, back to 4.2, depending on the situation with the Strait of Hormuz. But yeah, stagflation is right there in your face every day. So $90 a barrel right now. So we'll see how this data shows in the next 2 months.
Yeah, things could look really ugly, because just looking at financial juice here, it says the Hormuz Strait commercial traffic fell to a 3-week low.
Oh yeah, they're not going to proceed until Monday to start delivering more oil, I think. And
Why Monday? It's only
just
Tuesday.
down.
Oh,
Yeah. So we'll see. Hopefully nothing blows up. But I think we've seen this happen. Well, he tried to start a war with Iran the last term he did, and he blew up their the military leader. And it never escalated this much. It just kind of stopped, and that was it. So I guess this time it's kind of like he blew up their their country's leader this time.
Yeah.
And I think this is one thing you can't really get away with, especially if the son is, you killed. I think this is something that they will not take easy at all.
Yeah,
So-
of course.
Yeah. This is
But
gonna
they are more strategic about it, because like they know they cannot act harshly, and they have to and there is like a lot of things to protect right now, because like the economy and a lot of things. That's why they are trying to have talks with US, but it won't go well, like for sure, because there is like too much conflict of interest going on.
Oh yeah. Well, that is like owing the money. Like that's the whole thing that was on the whole agreement, right? Is like that the U.S. has to pay back billions of dollars back to reconstruction, because again, this whole issue started because of the U.S. So it's kind of like
See, another
we're
thing
screwed
is
that
also
way.
like US cannot indefinitely have this position. Like they cannot have Hormuz closed for a long time. And if they go in all out war, then also it will be very difficult on US. how to justify it one side, and there will be like spending increase if they go for a complete all-out war to open Hormuz or like defeat Iran, just like we saw with Iraq or other places like Afghanistan.
Yeah.
So that option is also very difficult, and then having the Hormuz close is also very difficult. So I think this is going to be an intermediary kind of stuff. So for some time it will be closed, we do something, and then after that it will be open because they enter into a talks, and then again we'll have like closing again. So I don't know how long they are going to keep this up, but this is the only way.
Yeah,
They cannot
exactly.
escalate too much. They cannot de-escalate too much because of ego and whatever is like happening behind the scenes. So yeah, it's tough for people. That's all I can say.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it's only the beginning of this week, so let's see. Next month's around the corner. Things can always change. You never know. Hopefully.
Yeah, but your prediction stands. Like next week we'll see 100 plus, right?
It might try to hit its all-time high again if things are escalating this
really?
badly. Yeah, was it 114 or 115? Was that all-time high? And if it does do that, you short the hell out of it. Was it 120?
Yeah,
I think it was 120.
we have to see XPR. Have to go one day. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. 120.
One-
Ooh, freaking
Yeah.
heck. Cheesy crazy. Well,
Yeah, I was like looking at the charts at when it hit 120 and I want to short. And I was like a little bit reluctant, and then it went up. Yeah, I was like, okay.
I think that would probably be a good limit order though. If you just spikes out of nowhere and goes to 120, that'd be a good limit order because there's no way it's staying. Oh, you're really doing that?
What?
Like the whole
Yeah,
portfolio
if it hits
is $4,000.
Sure. Okay.
They cap it 100%. Make it 200%. 200% is like what? Going back to 103. Easy. That's easy peasy.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like we can even have it go back to like 90 or 80.
Oh yeah, you're right. You just can type it in.
All right, let's do
Yeah,
90.
950.
All right, so sell, limit order, take profit, stop loss. Well, it's a limit order, so we should be good.
Mm-hmm. Liquidated. Get the order in.
Oh yeah. So I think a lot of people doesn't keep mind on the open interest, because you have to keep mind on also on open interest, because it eats away your profits a little by little. But then that's a little bit quirk of curves trading. You have to keep in mind what's happening to your trade while it is open or closed. So,
Yeah, exactly.
anyway, that's a good position to have.
Oh,
If it gets filled.
yeah.
But then you're going to pay more for the oil, like, right? Like, okay.
What do you mean?
So this is kind of a hedging strategy, because once oil goes to 120, like the crude goes 120, the oil prices will increase for the local. Like, so if you want to go someplace, you have to pay more. So this is like, yeah, I'm already going to pay more, so let me get some profit so I can pay more.
Exactly. He's like,
So
Go down,
this is
baby,
the perfect
tank.
hedging.
Tank. I need the monies. Yeah, if it goes to 120,
Okay.
then you're definitely gonna make some money going downside. Like, all right, I gotta make up for the gas money I spent. But it's making a V-shaped
So-
recovery if you look at it, though.
Last time I asked the same stuff. Okay, we are going to wrap. Can we talk a little bit on gold?
Oh, sure. Gold has been
Can you take the charts?
lackluster lately. It's like at 40,000.
Because I think it's a kind of like a, how to say, a crucial point right now.
Yeah, it's at 470, 4070.
So if you zoom out a little bit, you can see
Oof,
This
it's
is-
underneath that moving average too, which is not good.
Yeah, it's forming a wedge pattern where it's gonna either break up or break down, but the
Yeah.
likelihood with the war escalating, it's gonna break down, guys. Yeah, it's been major downtrending. So next level, 3900s to 3800s. Or my little note here, looking to buy gold here. Yeah, it's not looking great. So yeah, it's forming a wedge pattern
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
So it's gonna soon we'll find out if it's gonna move up or move down. But it's under the 200-day moving average, I believe, or this is the 9. Let me double check. 200, yeah. So
200.
bearish, very bearish.
So if it crosses the line, I think because like usually when war happens, gold is a safe haven. But this war, there is no safe haven for gold.
No, not at all. We thought it was.
it has to-
It's like
I
we
think
thought it
they're
was-
like for the war. To fund
Well,
the
the,
war,
new,
maybe.
the new safe haven is what? What is the new safe haven again? I remember I looked this up.
Cash,
The cash is the new safe haven. But,
SpaceX.
Oil.
I don't know. Oil's a little too volatile though, because okay, if you're trading perps
Yeah,
and like
it's not.
Trump tweets something, then you're fucked.
Yep.
You need to get liquidated fast.
So this war, there is no safe.
Oh, save in Apple.
Oh, really?
People put their money
Okay.
in Apple.
Yeah.
Apple's doing well.
Netflix. Everybody.
Good stuff.
Man, Netflix is that low. 67. Oh, boy, they took a hit.
Wow.
Yeah, they got to figure out how to make more money because their subscriber count is not growing as fast as people would like. So it's just been going down. But I hear they're opening a theme park like Disneyland, so maybe they'll have a way to save their books.
They'll be in Texas.
They're just going to follow what Disney does because Disney does it well.
Well, it's going to be like Disney per se. It's mainly like going to be like in the mall, like a big mall. It's going to be interesting how this plays out, but hey, it'll be cool. Go watch Netflix in the Netflix building. Eat some Netflix popcorn.
Definitely, it will attract people at start, but the point is like, can they keep up? So
Yeah, exactly.
yeah,
Well, they're the only ones.
can they get more revenue than they are spending?
I think they're the only ones that's making revenue when it comes to the streaming game, right? Because they're the first ones to start all this.
They also have a small game store, but it's also free. That comes with the app, so it's kind of like, yeah. But last week I had a little bit trouble with Netflix because you can easily upgrade the account, like within the TV or something. You can just click a button, it will upgrade your account instantly. But then if you want to downgrade your old tier, you have to just deactivate the account completely and then buy a new subscription. So it's not a good practice, right? So
well, Netflix is trying to keep you in the game. I forgot to mention this. I talked about soccer earlier. I totally forgot to talk about our beautiful Grand Cup that we just finished just recently. And congratulations to the European team.
okay.
Let's go Europe. Oceania. It was awful.
Hey, at least they tried. They were at I think 70 cents. They tried. They came back, they clearly put some volume in, but lost money.
Yeah.
No.
But South America is
so
also
sad.
Come on,
very
Australia.
nice, right? South America went very nicely
Oh,
because
South America coming up.
Yeah.
yeah, they went up and then like they have like 1.2 volume, and their PNL is like compared to the volume, it is very nice. It is even comparable to Europe, right? So
What about
they
Asia's
did well.
volume?
You.
Asia did well, but lost the trades.
You
I
did
was
pretty
also
good.
into Asia.
I blame Ajmal.
No,
It was the
my
D-wave
was
trade?
successful.
I'm kidding.
I had like 300. I think all the profit in PNL is mine.
In Asia? Are you in
Yeah.
Asia? Were you?
I never-
Oh,
Yeah, I was in Asia and I had like good profits. And whenever I
Okay.
get good profits, it comes up and then it goes down again. It was
oh,
crazy.
you know why? It's because I'm in Asia and I was probably countering your trades. I was like, oh man, like all the people trading on Trade or Fade, you know, those losses, they add up. There's like tiny wins
Yeah, it does.
compared to losses. Yeah, that's what
But the whole
happened.
point of trade or fade is like to have a chance for people to test that theory. So most test fails.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's what tests are supposed to do. So, and hopefully they learn. Like it's more like, okay, you can try new things and try new markets and everything. It might not go in your way always, but you learn how to understand and try, and like for each market there is a different strategy maybe.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
at least the approach. So yeah. And you cannot approach XBR easily right now, and unless you are watching all the news and everything, it has to be crazy fast. But if you do that, I think you can make a lot of money in oil right now. Like,
Oh yeah, for sure.
but you have to like quick fingers or quick whatever. Okay.
Am I still in my?
Oh,
am I still in my
Coinbase.
trade?
What?
Are we still in my trade? Wait
Yeah.
a minute. Am I
Yeah.
losing
How
money?
much is the PNL? Oh, what the?
4%.
That's... How much
The
was your
market,
take profit? I mean, stop loss.
We didn't put one, but the Nasdaq is going
Ah.
to go back down, so it'll be okay.
Okay.
yeah.
I'll
You should
take
be
it out soon. It's going back down right now. But Coinbase had a gap up today. I'm not sure why. I need to look into it, but I think, you know, Coinbase crypto, it's, you know, heading to the downside. So I want to put a order in here for 189, 189.85. Let's do 189.80.
I wonder how Coinbase is doing when it comes to, as a company. Like, I wonder if they're getting new users, or is it just the circulating amount that's just kind of just still afloat in Coinbase? I haven't seen much hype over Coinbase lately. I know the Clarity
I
Act
think they
came
want
through.
to, yeah, they want to incorporate like AI bots and everything. So they're going in that way. There was some news on that one.
Hmm.
So yeah,
Like every,
as long
like
as
every
they're
company.
building new stuff, like, and also going in the regulatory path, I think it would come back later, at least when BTC comes back. So
Oh, okay, yeah.
as long as they build, it's good. But with AI, we have seen a lot of hacks. We have not seen anything on Coinbase, I think. So that's also another thing. So all the companies that are building on crypto are, I think they have like learned the lessons so far, like in the last few months, but still they have to like super, vigilant on whatever new AI is coming, and then incorporate and do a security sweep with the new AI. Like, did you try Kimi K3?
Oh no, I tried. I was trying to, but it's been like used like crazy. It kept telling me that people are using it at the moment, so it just
Yeah,
sorry
it
for whatever.
was crazy.
I guess they didn't scale it. They didn't scale it large enough to make it for like the masses like that, because that news that it'd be stable. I'm like, no way.
Yeah, the thing is like someone tested it, but like there are two things. One is it takes long time sometimes, but table does things easily. Like it just do whatever you asked it to do, But Kimi, it is reported that it also does like scaling up. It tries different things to make it more like producible code. Like it's more publishable code. Like
Yeah.
you can make it actual product. So some people are very happy with it. Some people like personal opinions more than the benchmarks. That favors Kimi compared to Fable. But I think Gemini 3.5 is also on the horizon. They have launched the 3.5 Flash, but they didn't launch 3.5 Pro, and they are like lacking right now in the race.
Yeah, they are.
So
It's-
usually what
sometimes-
happens is like, they just
it
take a
doesn't-
step back and then let others cook, and then they release a model and they change everything. That happened previously because everyone was with 250K window, and then Gemini was not doing anything, and then they just launched 1 million window, and everyone is right now in 1 million window, token window. And now I think Gemini will do something out of like magic, and hopefully things everyone will follow suit. But with Kimi, they are just, I'm not sure.
I heard that was actually crispy clean.
You know, I'm testing the sound effects because sometimes it like it's not very loud, and so I have to adjust the volume. Yeah, we added a bunch of new sound effects. Cartman from South Park.
Yeah, that's so good. That's funny. Well,
Okay,
now-
so time to wrap up.
yes, it's time to wrap.
So what's
And-
upcoming on Sai? Anything?
Ooh. Well, last time we spoke with Unique, we're still getting
We
some
have points
really good
program upcoming, right?
the points program. Yes, we do.
Yep, points program is rolling out soon, like very, very soon, guys. So be sure to keep your eyes peeled. It might come this week. You did not hear it from me.
Oh,
Continue trading.
yeah.
Collect those points. Yeah, lots of
Look
good
for
stuff coming.
bounties.
Oh yes, weekly bounties. Those are going to be good.
Let's go.
Aside from that,
So,
I think that's
yes.
it.
If that's it, then that is it. Then we enjoy our. What's today again? Tuesday night. It's over here Tuesday night for all three of us, I think, right? It's Tuesday
Yeah.
morning for everybody back.
Oh
north.
no, I think it's actually Wednesday for us. But it's
Oh yeah,
Tuesday.
it's Wednesday, officially Wednesday. Happy
Okay,
Tuesday,
it's still
everybody.
Tuesday for me.
Happy Tuesday, Ajmal. We beat you.
Yeah, you're in the future. So tell me what is the trade happening in the future? Right?
SpaceX. Everybody buy
Imitate.
SpaceX.
By
It's
SpaceX.
all-
Yes.
Buy SpaceX. Yep, that's the future. Alrighty, guys. Well, you guys go ahead and bag hold some SpaceX, and we'll catch you soon next week to see where you're at. Until next time, happy trader fade.
Let's go.
And yes, catch you later. Take care, everybody.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.